Hey guys, Roughman24 here, and I want to say, we took a little vacation, kind of like a break. Last week was, what do I call it? Oh, spring vacation. So me and Matt kind of took a break. Matt went to Florida with Carpool 911, and, I did stream the week, like some days in the week, but actually this weekend I took a break. So I wanted to let you guys know that's why we haven't been uploading. I'll be going back to my regular stream schedule either next week or this week. It depends. My stream schedule is now going to be every Friday night and sometimes Saturday in the week, depending on if we have vacation or just like a snow day or something. But yeah. So I just wanted to let you know that. So we took a vacation, that's all. That's why we haven't been uploading. But yeah, so like I said, my Twitch schedule for live streaming is every Friday night starting at 9. Starting a little before 9, but I start at 8:30. I do all the social media, I post it on YouTube and stuff, and then I get going. So yeah, that's every Friday night, and it goes to like whatever time I feel like stopping. But yeah, so I will see you guys this Friday or next one, depending on what's happening. So yeah, peace out.